Hi, in this video I will show how to do color changes and not let the yarn inside the piece interfering with the stuffing. And what it means is, for example, my cow pattern, there's many color changes from black to white all the time, and many times the jump from one color to the same color, it can be quite big. And if you pull the yarn as you do before you do color change, it can interfere with filling, because if the yarn goes from one side, it can maybe interfere when you want to fill. So that's why I have this kind of way that I let the other color follow all the time. So and maybe you have done this when you do blankets with patterns, that you always bring all the colors with you as you're going back and forward or around. And they're sometimes very small ones, and then you don't need to do it. But when it's very big areas in every round, you need to let the other color follow with you. And there are different ways. Either you let the other yarn follow you for every stitch you do, or like me, I just do it like every fourth, fifth stitch it comes with me. So it's living like this kind of small tails with you. But it is up to you how you want it. But to do it with every stitch, it can take more time, because it means that for every stitch you do, you have to make sure the other color is with you all the time, and that you crochet it into every stitch. So what it means that I just do normal single crochets here, and then every third, fourth, it's up to you. You take the other color, you hold it close, and then you insert like you do a normal one, but it's there, just behind. So, and then I usually just let it go behind, and I continue without it. But if you want, you can do it in every stitch. And then sometimes I have to just pull a little bit, just so it doesn't show. So this is how you can do it. And then it's follow you all the time. So next time will be maybe the black, that the white follow. And in this way you secure that when you fill later, you will not let the yarn tails interfering with the stuffing, and it will look nice in the end. So this is how I usually do it. And it goes very easy. There's no problem to take it, leave it behind, then you do. And if you do yarn under, you do the same thing. It goes exactly the same way. So use one, and then you can continue. And then if you need to switch color, and you do it very easy. You don't need to think about to pull it very hard or loose or anything, because it's there very close. This is how it works. And it will look like this. Nice, and it will not interfere when you fill in the end. Thank you.